Worms eat our garbage.
How do they do it? Meet our friends, the red worms.
They're the ones who break down our food. We call it vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is composting with the help of worms.
Where do they do it?
In a worm bin.
Bedding is the first layer where the worms are going to live and reproduce. It could be made up of hay, shredded newspaper, or best of all, cardboard.
The second layer is grit. This is important to worms to help them digest. Grit includes things like eggshells, coffee grounds, and sand.
The last layer is the insulation. It controls the temperature and the moisture in the worm bin. It could be shredded newspaper or type paper.
What do you get in the end?
Castings!
What are castings?
Duh, worm poop.
What do you do with worm poop? You can add it to your soil to help your plants grow better. Once you get your worm bin, you need to get worms and food.
To feed your worms, lift up the insulation layer and bury the food.
How much can you feed them?
Usually 1 square foot of bedding with a half pound of worm can compost a pound of food a week.
What can I feed them?
You can feed them banana peels, lettuce, apple cores, orange peels, or basically anything a plant makes.
But worms can't eat hot dogs?
They can, but protein can make the worm bin stink.
I love worms.